Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about pointers, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Pointers allow you to manipulate data stored in memory directly, rather than just through its name or value. To declare a pointer, you use asterisk operator, followed by the data type of the variable that the pointer will point to. For example, this code declares an int variable x and initializes it with the value 42. The second line declares a pointer ptr to an int and initializes it with the address of x using the address of operator ampersand. To access the value stored at the address stored in a pointer, you use asterisk operator. For example, this code outputs the value stored at the address stored in the PTR, which is 42. Pointers can be used in many ways in C++, including to dynamically allocate memory, to pass variables to functions by reference, and to implement data structures such as linked lists and trees. However, they can be dangerous if used improperly, as they can cause memory leaks and other bugs. It is important to use pointers carefully and to understand their behavior in detail before using them in your programs. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.